exactly where I wanted it to be. GoPro stop recording.
Probably stood right in the way, didn't I?
Well, this one landed about where I wanted it to. Actually, exactly where I wanted it to. Real close to the camera, but just on the other side of a tree from the camera. I tried to place the camera so it wouldn't get hit. Some of the uppermost twigs and branches came real close and swiped it, but didn't hurt it. Anyway, here it is. It's about a 16-inch to 18-inch tree. It split after it fell, or as it fell. I'm not sure which, but it came down okay. Can't believe the weather. February, what is this, 17th or 18th? Saturday. Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter.
But I'm in a t-shirt. It's just gorgeous out today. This tree, one of the two main trunks, look, the bark was separating from it, so it apparently was dying. I figured I'd call this one out and let the other ones around it grow even better. Well, it looks like the tree, the very top of the tree landed just beyond the property line, so I'm gonna cut that and pull it back onto my side just to avoid any complaints. Here's the corner of the property right here, this pole. And you can see, looking up through there, that 6 or 8 feet of the tree is on the left side of the property line, which is not mine. So I'm gonna go take care of that. Okay, looks like that's gonna be good. There's the property line. Oh, the top of the tree is gone. Thrown over there. Good to go. I guess now I'll look around and see if there's other suitable trees to cut today while I'm out here. It was a bit of a muddy trip, so can't always get out here this time of year, but today I was fortunate. Look around, see if there's more to be cut.